I want to record a quick video for that question. So while scraping Google Maps reviews at about 1000 reviews while scrolling using Selenium, there is maximal call stack exceeded error. It happens because it's a bug on Google Maps itself. There are several questions on Stack Overflow regarding this. To fix this, you can either send requests directly or use some third-party API like SerpApi. And here we have a template to scrape infinite number of Google Maps reviews for all of the coffee shops in this location. It's somewhere in US. We run it, it scrape reviews, places and print them, and scrape reviews, rating and snippet. I will explain what it does. This script uses async IO from Python to run requests asynchronously because it will be faster. Here in the main function we use two APIs from SerpApi. First one is Google Maps API to get all the coffee shops following pagination on this location. Here we iterate all over the pages and then iterate in results on each page. Store a variable with data ID that we later use for Google Maps review. And here we print title, address, rating and reviews. And then we have a nested loop that paginates reviews for each coffee place using this data ID. It uses the same paginate helper that I will explain a bit further. And here we iterate all over reviews and just for demonstration print rating and snippet. And paginate itself retrieves current loop, instantiate Google search client, and in an infinite loop invokes SerpApi, makes a request to SerpApi, checks the result, checks pagination, computes parameters for the next page from SerpApi backend, and yield the result parsed data. Page number here is needed only to print it. Some places have too many reviews, while others have not that much. That's it. Feel free to ask questions and feel free to write us at serpapi.com if you have any questions. See you in the next video.